Yeah, so this is our replacement shingle. This is a Royal Sovereign, made by GAF. I think what we just pulled here is actually a CT glass. I don't know, we'll probably send this in. We'll send this into ITEL with these tabs that came off of it.
Okay.
For lab analysis. But what we're gonna do is, you can see this is the shingle going in, like kind of quality. Still have our protective strip. This is on there for packaging. Don't take that off. A lot of roofers don't know that. You can. You don't have to. Set this. So we're gonna maneuver this into place. All right. We got it where we want it. And now we're gonna reinstall nails. Now, I'm not gonna reuse my nails. I don't do that. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. We pulled 8 nails out. I'm actually gonna put 10 in. Could probably put 12 in, but it's overkill. Now this ripped when we went to pull our nails. So want to be gentle. You know, you don't want to rip it too much. We want to place our nail into the seal strip. But I also need a see, dude, look at that. So I need to be able to nail this at a 45-degree angle so that it goes in straight. Yeah, dude, this just fucking tears, dude. Get a close-up of this, and then that way when I lift it to put my nail placement after, we can show the damage. See this fucking... Crease right there. Wasn't paying attention. I put 7 in that fucking thing. See, you can't even like grab it. Look at that. Yeah. Like, do you see that? That rip? I just went to put my fingernail under it. You can hear the rocks. Yeah, bro. Wind-driven debris under that. Like, so like I can't reuse these holes either. Like, I can't just put the nail back in there. It'll never seal, and it'll just continue to wallow out. So technically, even that I'm not supposed to do. I can't reuse the old materials. I'm supposed to put all fresh new shingles in around it. Need a couple more nails. But like you can see, look at the creasing on this. That's a clear black line. Fucking shit. So you can see like there's creasing. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, but like here, definitely you've got the new rips that happen anytime you just try to lift the shingle up. It's just you can't do this. You'll be here forever.
Mm-hmm. All right, is it good?
All right, you stopped it.